Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, hardware insertion presses, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a really nice press. We do have a lot of them. We're always looking to buy or sell them, so if you have any of these Haeger Insertion presses, give us a call. We'll give you the best price for your money. We love to turn these machines around. We get everything going again, make sure it's all fully functional. They're very simple machines. Pretty much just going to step on this pedal and you'll be able to put your little hardware in there along with your sheet metal, whatever it is, and go ahead and press it in. Very simple. You can see these machines do come with some tooling. We include everything that's originally with it. Try to get it to go out again with some nice tooling, get you started. This is a very basic one. You can have these with a bowl feeder as well. You can see right here it has an actual bowl feeder. This one you put all your material in here and all these little inserts will come down with a little slide and go ahead and feed it. Something if you're going to be doing a lot more production. Now if you're going to be doing something over here, like this machine right here, this is an 824 Haeger. You can see it's much bigger, but it's got more tonnage, 8 ton, 6 tons. Bowl feeders. Let us know what you're looking for. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can see we have a lot of different types of machines. We'd love to work with you. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.